Welcome to Infant India's education world.
This is the Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev has given this periodic table in 1869. His work was greatly appreciated, but there were some defects in his table, due to which it had to be discarded. Then Henry Moseley, an English physicist, who was aware of these defects in the Mendeleev's periodic table. The problem with the Mendeleev's periodic table was the place of isotopes. Elements like silver and lithium were grouped together, even though the properties of these elements were not chemically similar, and there were some other defects in the Mendeleev's periodic table, like elements gold and platinum, which had similar properties but were put wide apart in the periodic table. Henry Moseley was the first scientist to acknowledge about it, and he was the first scientist to calculate the number of protons in any element. Number of proton is the atomic number for an element. He was the first scientist to calculate the number of protons for any given element. Thus, Henry Moseley believed that atomic number is more fundamental property to classify any element rather than atomic masses. So, on the basis of this calculation, Henry Moseley gave his periodic table in which elements are arranged in increasing order of atomic number. This is the modern periodic table, which has 18 groups and 7 periods, and all 118 elements are placed in it. These 118 elements make up everything. Whatever we see or know, all these things are made up of all these 118 elements. The modern periodic table organizes all these 118 elements in a well-organized and systematic manner. There are some properties related to these elements which shows how these elements react with each other. As these elements are arranged now in a systematic manner in the modern periodic table, so these properties also show some trend and pattern. So the properties that shows gradual variation at gradual intervals are called periodic properties, and this phenomenon is called periodicity of elements. Important periodic properties are atomic size, metallic character, non-metallic character, ionization potential, electron affinity, and electronegativity. So we will discuss about all these properties in detail in our next video.
Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.